Hey guys, good morning. It is Ty, the Naturalista, and I am doing a video today about putting moisture into my hair. And I'm going to be using these two new products that I just bought, which is from Emerge. This is the leave-in conditioner. It is vegan, it's cruelty-free, and there's no parabens or silicones. And then I'm going to be taking their Emerge Works Buttercream. And this is going to be our creamer, which is our styling cream. So first what you want to do is start off with some water, or you can use aloe vera juice, or you can use vegetable glycerin. You can mix that in with your water. First you want to open your spray bottle and then just spray your hair so that it will take in the moisture. So now we're going to take the Emerge leave-in conditioner, and I am excited to see what this does to my hair. I'm just taking this much. It's a very light smell. It's almost like floral. It's not one of my favorite choices, but it's not bad. It's very light. So if you like light smells, then you might want to try this product. But basically you just want to apply this through your strands, and this has my hair feeling so soft. I do like that. Okay, so now to hold the leave-in conditioner in, we're going to apply this Curl Essence Moisturizing Oil Cocktail. And it does have Jamaican black castor oil and coconut oil inside. And we're basically applying that after the leave-in conditioner so that we are holding all the moisture in our hair. Okay, so that is nice and detangled. So let's try our buttercream. And I have some in my lid, so I'm definitely about to use this. I don't let no product go to waste, and neither should you. And I'm just going to apply this to this section. And I actually am going to add some gel after this as well to hold the curls. I'm just gonna comb it real quick just to make sure that I got the styling cream between all my strands. Now, let me get the gel and then we're gonna twist. And we're just gonna take our Eco Styling Gel with black castor seed and flaxseed oil. Just gonna apply that all over the section. Make sure you get your ends. And we're going to work on this. You just want the 2-strand twist all the way to the bottom. When you get to the end, you just want to coil the ends. And then I'm just going to coil it, and then that one's done. Okay, and then I'm just going to continue to do this throughout all of my head. And you just want to twist, not tight where it's going to cause breakage, but you want to twist tight so that your product can soak into the hair and your twists can be super defined. You want to twist like your life depends on it. Okay guys, so I'm back. I apologize for my camera cutting off on you guys. It decided to go dead. While it was charging, I went on and finished my hair. So I left two to show you, and I've already applied the leave-in, the oil, and the styler. I think I just gotta apply the gel, smooth it in, and then we're just going to twist. Like if I think it's too much on there, I will start to rub some of that off. Your hair is only gonna soak up so much. Well, that is it for the tutorial, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please leave me a comment below, and I will see you on my next video.